I'm Naz, and I'm going to talk to you today about different type of needles we can use to do stick and pokes. There are lots of different needles, and different artists use different kinds of needles combined with their own techniques. There are needles that are specific, for example, for making a line or for doing shading. In our stick and poke kit, we have professional level needles. And for example, this is the 3RL or the 3 round liner, and it's used for outlines and for lines. The number is the number of needles soldered to the tip of the bar. So a 3RL is 3 little needles meant for a thin line. Round liners are a tight grouping of needles at the end of a metal bar. Magnum shaders are more spread apart and used for shading and gradients in a tattoo. Round shaders are spread apart needles in a circular formation used for shading rounded edges. Flat needles are needles in a straight line, good for straight edges. You can find all of our needles on our website. They are included in our stick and poke kits, and they're the best for stick and pokes. I'm a Libra, so it's hard for me to decide which one I want to use.